Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fund a Chase investment account. So this is a pretty simple process, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to go through that. So first you want to do, step one is to sign into your Chase account. Now you can do that on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app if you have the mobile app. So once you signed into your account, you just want to click on investments, and then you want to select fund account. Now you got to choose the funding method, such as a transfer from a Chase checking account. Next, you want to enter the funding amount and confirm the transaction. You can review the account balance and investment holdings. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fund a Chase investment account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.